Hey folks, welcome back to the Hiding Code 7, and today we are making a maze game. So, well, let's get started. And first we'll remove this cat and rename the project to maze game. Yep, that's what we're making. So, first we need a maze because without a maze we can't do anything. So, go to stage and go to backdrops. You could just draw your own maze or you could import them from Google or something, like how I did. I have a maze right here for us, and this is what I'm going to be using. So now we need the player. So hover and choose a sprite, then paint. Now let's paint a sprite. So first we can choose the circle option and draw a circle like that, and then we are going to change the color to something like a limey green area. Okay, let's go with that. Now I think it's best to make this a little more smaller so that we can complete the maze. Maybe a little more smaller. Maybe a little more smaller. Or a little more smaller. Okay, that looks like the perfect size. Now let's go with the code. Wait, first let's check if this is centrally aligned. Okay, make sure it's centrally aligned or there might be problems. And now we are going to do the code, which is like almost the basic and the main part. So let's start. And first go to events, then drag a when space key pressed. Then duplicate it 3 more times. And now you should have 4 of these. So after that, go to motion and drag a change Y by and duplicate it 1 time and put it under the other. Make the first one 5 and the second one -5. Then take change X by and duplicate it again and do the same as we did for the change Y by. So the first one's going to be 5 and the second one's going to be -5. Y means up and down, X means right and left. So let's set which key we are using. So in the change Y by 5, make it up arrow. And in change Y by -5, make it down arrow. And change X by 5, make it right arrow. And change X by -5 will be left arrow. So now we can just move it with our arrow keys. We can move the sprite with our arrow keys, which is really good. And now we need to start something. Start something that will make it maze a maze, because now you could just pass through the walls and voila, you win. So let's fix that. And I think there's a problem with our sprite, so let's just hold that. There's a circle. Let's remove that. Now our sprite's okay. Let's put the sprite back where it belongs. So take your sprite and put it at the start of your maze, so that's where your sprite spawns when you click the green flag. So then go to events, drag a when green flag clicked, then go to motion and drag a go to block and put it under the when green flag clicked. Now wherever I place it, it should return to its position. Now let's do the not passing walls part. So for that you need to go to control, drag an if then block and then duplicate it for 3 more times to get 4. Then put each under a when keeps pressed blocks. Then we'll go to sensing and drag a touching color block. Duplicate it 3 more times to get 4 of them. Put it inside the slots of the if-thens. Okay, now that's done, let's change the color to the color of our maze. Just click it and you get the exact color. And for doing it, just click on the color, then this ink icon with the background icon, and then just touch which color you want and do the same for all of them. Okay, now that that's done, we'll need to duplicate the first parts. So go to motion and drag a change y by block and a change x by block. Duplicate both of them 1 time. Then make one of them change y by 5 and put it inside the up arrow and make it -5. Put one y inside the down arrow, put one x inside the right arrow, and put the last one inside the left arrow. And in the down arrow, make it 5. And in the right arrow, make it -5. And in the left arrow, make it 5. Now we should have a not going past through walls. Just try it using your arrow keys and you can move smoothly. Something doesn't feel right. I just passed through a wall. Okay, so you could get a glitch sometimes, so don't worry about that. Yeah, there's definitely some glitches. What could it be? Okay, so I've managed the fixing part, and if you're having this same error, just try making your sprite a bit smaller, like this, and so it'll be fixed. So let's see our output. Now should be better. Click on the green flag again and try playing it now. And it works like a charm. is the game I wanted, and I hope you all like it. I make sure to comment down below on what I can get better at making videos, and make sure to like, share, subscribe, and please comment on where I can get better so that you can make better videos for you to keep watching. Please make sure to support me, and bye!